I knew from the time I started the class that I wanted to do something hands-on once I got out of high school. So I chose this. This is something that give me all sorts of new skills that I'll be able to use outside of school. Well, every day we're doing all sorts of different projects for school. Anybody that needs something done. Once I get out of school, it's just another skill. If I won't have to hire somebody to come do something that I need done. If I have the equipment to do it, I can start another business by myself. I can work from my own house and kind of start a new company, or I can just have it for times that I need stuff worked on at my own house. So for me, it's just all around a benefit for life. I'd say jump in, join, and try it out. It's been one of my favorite classes. If you're a hands-on type of person, if you enjoy working and kind of being creative, creating things, it's the best class there is.